Hi, my name is Andrew, and today I'm going to show you guys how to use the screen record function of your phone. So let's get right to it. Alright, so now that we're on a phone, we're going to go ahead and go click Settings. Inside of Settings, you find a Control Center. You're going to click Customize Controls, and here you see a bunch of options, but we're going to focus on screen recording. So go ahead and click the green circle. Now screen recording is added to our phone, so now if we go out of here and you swipe up on your phone, you see this little new icon here, this circle. If you go ahead and click it, you're gonna get a countdown. 3, 2, 1, and bam, we are on the phone. So, for example, now you can check your Instagram and show it more clearly to your audience. Pro tip, if you want to record a screen with the audio from the mic, then just hold down the screen record icon for 1 second and then click microphone audio on. And when you are done recording, press the icon again and the video will be saved to your photos. If you found this quick tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.